Alright guys, here we go. Snap on truck, guys. Today I'm going to get the tools for the 20,000K subscribers. Alright, now I don't think I'm gonna get nothing off here, but we ain't gonna say that. What is my balance, Mr. Man? Dude, I'm doing a 20,000 mile. You got anything you want to donate? I'm doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway today. Yeah. Oh, it's Sunday. You sure you ain't got nothing to sponsor up here? All these goodies up here. Take it all out. 20K. I'm at 20K. So it's gonna be Sunday. That's when I'm gonna do the live stream Sunday and raffle off some goodies. Mama. Hey, it's gonna be one of the gifts, guys. I see that. So the newbie subscribers, y'all remember what I told y'all to put in the comment section? Please remove card. What I say? Real quick. So don't forget that. Put that in the comment section. Snap on hat, guys. Look how beautiful that is. I see that. Snap on got some good stuff on it, guys. When I get my business credit card, I'm gonna come up here and get y'all some real goodies. Can't beat the Snap on. Plus they stay stocked up. Ooh. Hey, y'all see that? Hold on, let me set these right here. Alright, so I'll be able to do 4 raffles. 2 different Snap-on caps. Alright. Courtesy of the Snap-on driver here in, where we at? The Atlanta area? Certain zone? What zone we in? Alright, man. Thanks, man. I'll see y'all. Alright, guys. That's it. I'm out. We gonna go to Home Depot. And I didn't want to say that, you know, my man presence, but they were gonna go get some more tools, guys. So y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, I'm here in the Milwaukee section. Yes, my 20,000 subscriber giveaway area. Okay, gotta find out which drill I'm gonna give away. Okay, as y'all know, like I've said before, I have nothing but appreciation from everybody for helping out the channel, the comments, the likes, the discussion, everything. I love them, guys, and it's all because of you guys that I'm about to be setting on 20,000 subscribers. So what I want to do is give away. I'm gonna use some of that revenue that was generated from the channel to give away some tools. A giveaway. Now this is all new to me, guys, so don't dog me out because it's the first time I'm doing this. All right, and I figured 20,000 subscribers is a good enough reason to do it. So what do mechanics, DIY guys like? What do they? Is this something a DIY guy would like? See, I want it to be complete. I want it to have the tool. I don't want you to need nothing, guys. So as far as, I don't want to give you a tool and then you got to go buy a battery for it. So I want to find something that's pretty much complete. All right, I might grab that. Hey, look at the sales going on here, guys. Okay, yes, these are $99. You cannot beat that. Now, guys, what do you guys prefer? Wow, $256 value for $99. Okay, the drill. Most people use a drill more than they do compact impact. I want to say, I don't know. What are you guys doing out there? Now everybody, especially the usuals. I know y'all, most all of y'all are mechanically inclined. Okay, some of the conversation we be having, you have to be. All right, guys, I'm back, but there has been a slight change of plans, guys. All right, instead of getting one impact driver, whether it be, instead of trying to decide whether I'm gonna get an impact driver or a drill for somebody, I'm gonna get we're gonna change brands, guys. We're gonna go down here to not Makita, Robinier, guy, or Rabi, $99, guys. All right, this is what we're gonna do. So I don't want to make you guys want to decide which ones. And for the same price, you get an impact and a drill and a charger, 2 batteries, and a bag. Yes. All right. So we're gonna raffle this thing out, guys. My 20,000 subscriber. Got me some toys, guys. I always wanted one of these. And a few lights for my podcast. All right. One more thing. I gotta find something for the fresh starters. Okay, the ones that's just subscribed. Maybe I might give a window of like a month or something. But who knows, man? But I'm gonna find something for you guys. I saw a drill, no, a ratchet. Most of you guys are pretty do-it-yourself savvy. So I gotta find something you do-it-yourselfers can deal with. Okay, not so much hand tools, guys. I want to get you guys some form of a ratchet. Okay, and this look like, hey, here we go, right here, Husky. Guys, don't sleep on Husky. Husky is actually pretty good too. All right. In fact, my the guy that worked with me, the new, he's 20 years old, 20-year-old kid. He loved his Husky Air 382. Yes, so that's for the newbies. All right, so I'm gonna raffle all 2 tools, guys. I was gonna get the brushless 3/8 drill from Milwaukee, but they out, and I want this done because I'm gonna hit 20K maybe by Friday, guys. And on my Sunday live stream, I'm gonna do the raffle off then. All right, guys. No. All right, guys, there you have it. As you can see, I got y'all some goodies, fellas. That's it. Y'all can thank y'all neighborhood or my neighborhood Home Depot store. How do you pronounce that? Can anybody clarify that? I know you can't spell a pronunciation, but I can never spell that right. But got some goodies. We're gonna raffle this stuff off Sunday. All right. So guys, stay tuned, man. All right, guys, I am now at Lowe's. I sure hope Lowe's have this Craftsman headlight. I want to give away some headlights too. The USB kind, guys, the USB kind. Because I found out, guys, when their battery run out, I'm the same way. When the battery run out, I tend to don't care about the light anymore. So I'm gonna get. That's probably what I should have got my helper that time I came. But they was out the time I came up and got his. So if they got some, I'm gonna grab 2. And do those as a giveaway. I think those will make a real good giveaway. All right, so guys, let's go into Lowe's and see what's cracking. It's good. It's Black Friday too. They might have some deals going on. I don't know yet. We're about to find out. Let's get it. Hey, whoa, I might have made a mistake. Is this Craftsman? This the $99? Hold on, guys. Did this come with the same thing as that Rubio? Yes. Guys, we'll change the plans. We're going with Craftsman. Because that's what I paid for Rubio, and this Craftsman is a better name. All right, I'm taking that one back. This is the one I'm going to give away. I should have came here first. What y'all think? $99. Yes, I should have came here first. I can't give nothing like this away because it'll cost me an arm and a leg to mail it. This will be a garage. Y'all tools in the garage. But I'm getting that 20 volts. It's a drill and an impact, so you don't have to decide. $99. All right, that's gonna be one of my gifts. All right, Rubio going back for whoever made that other one. I can't remember who. Rubio, I think I'm pronouncing it right. But let's go handle the task at hand. Let's go see if they got these USB flashlight. Let's get it. And they typically hidden over here. Please, please, please have it. Please, please. This will make a great gift. Oh no, guys, I don't see it. I'm so sorry. I do not see it. I don't want to send y'all a light. Yeah, if it say 3A's right here, it's operated. I haven't seen those anymore, so I don't know if they discontinued them or not. Dang, that would have made a great gift. Oh well, so much for that, guys. But one good thing came out of that is you're gonna end up with some lucky one are gonna end up with a Craftsman drill and impact. All right, we're gonna raffle this thing off Sunday during my live stream. Man, I don't want to give nobody this, guys. These good. It's just you need battery. I'm telling you, man. If y'all anything like me, yeah. When the battery run out, you ain't gonna care about it no more. I'm the exact same way. Man, so much for that.
Y'all know too much. Lowe's. This is scary.
All right, guys. There it is. Y'all see it? I'm taking that other one back, guys. Lowe's came through for a brother. Craftsman is so much of a better brand than Ribio. Am I pronouncing that right? I don't know. Doesn't matter. This one was a better deal. Same equipment, the drill and the impact, with 2 batteries and a bag. So I think y'all appreciate this one better, guys. All right, stay tuned for the night, man. Again, 8 o'clock. I gotta hurry and get home. It's 6 o'clock now. We're going live, baby. Live! Online mechanic tips. It's your boy JT, man. I'll see y'all in a sec. Stay tuned.